Okay guys, if you have just created your Shopify store and if you don't know yet how you can set up the shipping and delivery options settings, you are on the right video, okay? So what you have to do is click on settings and just after select shipping and delivery. So what we'll focus on is the general profile. If you do dropshipping, you don't need of the other option at all. If you do e-commerce, probably maybe in the future you will need of them, but for the moment, let's just focus on general profile because this is where that you are going to edit the options, the delivery options, and that you will enable people to order on specific countries, okay? Because if you don't activate shipping options on a country, the person in this country won't be able to order on your website. So that's a big problem, okay? So if you don't set up that, nobody will be able to order in your store, okay? So as you can see, I'm currently in Indonesia, so that's why it's written that I ship from Indonesia. That's not the case, of course. This is just that, yeah, it has picked my location, but because I do dropshipping, we don't care about that, okay? What counts the most is what we'll find below the shipping zones, okay? This is the only thing that really matters, okay? So for the Indonesia shipping zone, we don't care because nobody in Indonesia will buy my products. But what counts the most is international just here, okay? So as you can see, I have a small box here with written to start selling to 27 countries in this zone, include them in a market. So now in Shopify, if you want to sell on a specific market, you must have activated the market before on the settings. That's pretty weird. I don't know why they have done that. Before, we used to don't have to do that. It was much easier. But anyway, before selecting and updating the shipping options, we have to activate all the markets. So for that, we'll click on including them in a market. And then we'll go in the United States market and we'll click on include. And then we'll select all the country, okay? We don't care. We'll just put everything. Perfect. Now, as you can see, 208 regions won't be able to order because there is no shipping rate for the moment. This is what we're going to do together. So then you will just click on manage shipping, go back on general profile, and then if you scroll here, we don't have the box anymore. So what I will do is I will remove this shipping option and I will add my first shipping option. So here, I will call it standard delivery, okay? I will add delivery details such as, for example, tracking number provided, okay? We don't care about that. That's just for the branding, for the marketing. And then you can select to have a flat price if you want to have the same price every time, okay? You can select transit time if you want, but I advise you to don't put any here, okay? Or you can just click on custom and put your own, but I prefer to not put it, okay? Or you can just select a rate depending on the order amount, which will be the case in the major part, okay, for you. So for example, if the minimum of the order is $0, if the order is between $0 and $30, you can select to put the shipping at $3, for example. And if the price of the order is above $30, the shipping will be free. Okay, so this is here that you will be able to do that. For example, so I am in Indonesian rupees, but yeah, let's make like if it was USD. So the minimum will be 0, the maximum will be 29.99, and the price will be $2.99, for example. Okay, transit time no, and yeah, that's it. And I will click on done. Okay. So now what I have to do is add another option in case of the order is above $30. So I click on add shipping option, free delivery. Let's put the tracking number provided once again. Order amounts, the minimum should be $30, okay? And the transit time, let's put known here, and the price will be free, okay? Okay, perfect. And you can just click on done. And now, as you can see, if the order is between $0 to $29.99, the person will have to pay $2.99 to order the products, shipping fees. But if the order is above $30, the person won't have to pay anything, and you can just click on save, okay? In the case you just want to offer free shipping for everyone, which will be the case maybe for the major part of you, you will click on delete of everything, and you will just write free shipping order elements, and you can just put none. You can add delivery detail, okay? Perfect. And yeah, just click on save, and the shipping is free for everyone, and you can click on save. Really, really easy. And if you want to separate, for example, United States, United Kingdom, and you want to apply different fees depending to the country, you can click on add a new zone. Then, for example, Europe countries, you will select Europe, okay? But you can't do it now because Europe hasn't been activated in the market, and because Europe has been maybe included in international, okay? Yeah, as you can see, Netherlands, Portugal, France, all the countries are here. So you can't include countries in two different zones, okay? But if I remove them, for example, here, if I remove the France markets, then I will be able to include it on a new zone, okay? So this is how it works, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was useful for you. If that's the case, don't hesitate to give a like on the video and subscribe for more tutorials.